This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Vidi Payne. Spacious Ranch Home offering 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Featuring a great room with carpet and eat-in kitchen with vinyl flooring. Separate laundry room off kitchen with washer and dryer. Bedrooms have hardwood floors. Small pet okay under 40 pounds with $300 pet deposit. No smoking on premises. Utilities are electric, water and sewage, all tenant responsibilities. Available for immediate occupancy. For more information, review the details below.